Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Samsung TV randomly turning on, and this could be because of a random setting or something. So just on the home screen here, let's press settings and go to all settings. And the first one is on your connections. So you can have smart things set up on your phone where it connects your phone to your TV. Maybe there's an issue with that, so let's go to network and then go to expert settings. And we could try turning off these options right here. It says power on with mobile. Allow mobile devices like the smartphone and tablets on your network to turn on the TV. So we could try turning off all these different options. Allow IP controlled devices to remotely access your TV. So you could try just turning off all three of these options, and then we can go back to the main settings menu and go to where it says general and privacy and go down to where it says power and energy saving. And there could be some options under here, turning on and off your TV. So maybe like a power off, auto off, or maybe some sort of energy solution. I don't think there's anything necessary under there. If it's powering on, if it's powering off your TV, there could be an issue with that. But let's go to external device manager now too. So if you are noticing that your TV is turning on and off with random devices, your maybe soundbar or PlayStation 5, you could try turning off HDMI-CEC. And this will disconnect it from any HDMI device. And I think I've had this with soundbars before, where my soundbar automatically turns on and my TV turns on or off. So just look at that as an option. You can turn this off. Now I do like this on because it allows me to control my HDMI devices with my TV remote. So you might notice that will get disconnected. Also, go to your TV remote and remove the batteries. And there could be an issue with your power button or something. There's some sort of button on here, so you can click this a bunch of times and just smash every button in and out. Do this up and down for like 5 times. Then tap your remote. Make sure there's no buttons lodged in. That's causing your remote to keep, pressing the power button or something like that. And then you can plug this back in and it should just reconnect with you, and you don't have to do anything. So if there is a setting or something like that that's causing an issue, just look through there. Otherwise, you can go all the way down to the bottom and you can go to factory data reset, and you can just reset all these settings. The default pin, I believe, is 00000, so if you haven't changed this, you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.